said in the description of the last video, I've actually split this video into two because it was actually quite long when I came to edit. So the previous one was the catch can, and this one is these clocks. We're going to fit these. I need to make up a bracket. So let's get cracking. Welcome back. Right, they've roughly fit a bit like that, which is a lot better. And get to the ignition. They're not too obtrusive, they sit nicely, and from the front you can't actually see it, but the other one's hung over. I've still got room for the keys. So it is just a case of making up a bracket to attach. But obviously I've got to reroute the wiring. Alright, so this will be the first attempt at fabrication. Not something I've ever really done before. But say, I need to make some sort of clock bracket. So I've got some offcuts. Just done a rough drawing round of the actual shape of the clock, so I'm not actually I'm going to cut it out to that to start with, but then really all I need is probably just to come in here. So basically when the clocks sit on. So first job, cut that out. As I said, this is the first time I've ever done this, so it might go drastically wrong, but I'll have a go. Alright, so let's have a go. Let's see how it goes. First time I've ever doing this, so I've made sure I've got the actual safety guard and glasses. Oh, that's the rough shape. First cut. See, I've got to drill a hole there, refine these edges, and maybe just angle this off because I don't need all this. But it's not brilliant, not for a first attempt, but I'm quite happy. So just going to finish these edges off. Right, now I've got the got the basic shape. I just want to get the holes drilled so I can place it on, and then I can trim it afterwards. So obviously I need to cut. I need to take some more of this out because obviously that's where the plug would fit, so that needs to come out. Right, not bad for a first draft. Plug. That's basically there. The bit can come off as well. Just widen them holes up a bit. Right, as I said, first attempt, this is no work of art. It's got a lot of fine finishing to do, but the basis of what I'm aiming for. Obviously all this needs trimming back. Now I've got the shape, I can actually, let's say basically with the marker, I can start to get the shape. So probably going for that kind of shape. So it'll be tucked away. And so I've already cut out the hole for the plug. And then it is just lining these up. Maybe have to cut these down, drill them. But definitely getting there. So I'll probably actually mount these underneath. So bend these down at a slightly different angle. But that's definitely getting an idea. Alright, let's get these drilled. Right, there we go. All fitted. So what I've actually done is drilled that bracket and then put it through, if you can see it, the main bolt there, and the same on the other side. As I say, there's just some fine finishing to do to the edges of the bracket itself, give it a coat of paint, etc. But overall, really pleased with that. And obviously I've still got enough in the back to get the plug. As I say, and it's not too obtrusive from the front, you can't see it. It does look pretty good from this angle. So basically before the next episode, I'm just going to finish that off. It's just grinding, sandpapering, just final finishing, give it a coat of matte black paint, I should say, get my words out. But overall happy. So, I hope that was helpful. Next episode, I concentrate on the electrics. I need to reroute the electrics back up, because obviously they ran on the outside of the frame. I need to run them up on the inside of the frame, so I can actually get them through to the headlight, get the clocks all connected, and then we're moving a bit, get the headlights connected, and we're moving a bit closer to the end. I've also picked up, I don't know if this is going to work, this is a couple of tank inlays. I believe they're off a ZX6. I just want to have a play and see if I can fill in the gaps around the actual tank, but we'll have a go at that next time. So thanks for watching, join me again soon. Cheers, bye.